How to fix Discord webcam not working in Windows 11. In this tutorial, I'll show you a quick way to fix the problem. First, click the Start button and open Settings. From the left-hand menu, click Privacy and Security. Scroll down to the App Permissions section. Now, click Camera. Make sure camera access is turned on. Next, make sure Let Apps Access Your Camera is also enabled. If you see a separate option allowing desktop apps to access your camera, make sure that is enabled as well, especially if you're using the Discord desktop app. Once you've checked these settings, close the settings window. Now, restart your computer to make sure the changes take effect. After restarting, open Discord and test your webcam again by joining a voice or video call. And that's it. These steps should help fix webcam permission problems in Discord on Windows 11. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more helpful Windows and Discord tutorials.